Welcome to the comprehensive manual for vacuum cleaner maintenance and troubleshooting. This video will guide you through the essentials of keeping your vacuum working efficiently and diagnosing common issues. Let's first understand the mechanics of suction. The electric motor spins a centrifugal fan, creating a low-pressure void. Atmospheric air rushes into this void, carrying dirt and debris inside. Vacuum performance relies on a clear airflow pipeline from intake to exhaust. Most failures are caused by airflow restrictions. Blockages kill the suction power of the machine. Filter maintenance is crucial for diagnosing airflow. You must replace HEPA filters every 6 to 12 months. Foam filters can be washed with lukewarm water, but they must dry completely for 24 to 48 hours to prevent mold and motor damage. Follow the dust container protocol for optimum performance. For bagged vacuums, replace the bag at 2/3 capacity to avoid blocking fabric pores. For bagless models, empty the canister after every use and never exceed the max fill line. To check for physical blockages, detach the main hose and drop a coin through it. If the coin gets trapped, it indicates a clog. Use a broom handle or straightened wire hanger to push clogs out, focusing on narrow bends first. Agitator mechanics involve the brush rolls and belts. Hair wraps around the bristles, forming a sleeve that can stop the brush and snap the rubber drive belt. Cut the hair away with scissors and replace rubber belts once a year. A common cause of power failure is the overheating loop. A clog makes the motor work harder, generating high heat. The thermal cutoff switch then cuts power. If this happens, unplug the machine, clear all clogs, and wait 30 to 60 minutes for the motor to cool. For corded vacuums, inspect cords for frayed wires and kinks. Frayed cords require professional repair. For battery-powered units, remember that lithium-ion batteries degrade over time. Replace dying batteries that hold short charges. Use acoustic diagnostics to identify issues. A high-pitched whirring is normal. Loud rattling or clacking means debris is hitting the fan impeller. Turn it off immediately. A high-pitched squeal indicates bearing failure and requires professional lubrication. Musty odors often come from trapped organic debris, like animal hair. Empty the canister, wash the plastic dust container with warm, soapy water, and dry it completely. You can also add deodorant tablets to the exhaust. Robot vacuums require hard, level surfaces and clear space around the docking station. Small intake ports cause frequent clogs. Ensure 0.5 to 1 meter of clear space around the dock. For robot diagnostics, check sensors and contacts. Dust blinds cliff sensors, causing erratic movements. Dirty charging plates block electrical charges. Wipe both sensors and contacts with a dry microfiber cloth, never using water. A proactive maintenance schedule extends your vacuum's life. Weekly, check the brush roll and wipe robot sensors. Monthly, wash foam filters and inspect the hose. Replace HEPA filters and inspect the drive belt every 6 months. Apply the triage rule for repair versus replacement. If the repair cost exceeds 50% of a new machine's cost, replace it. For safety hazards like smoke or water damage, call professionals.